this goes with my last video. I had a couple questions about how to shoot airsoft or BBs or smaller steel balls, if it's possible to do that using the same method. And yeah, it is. I do the same thing. I just kind of change the way I grab it. But like, I'll shoot a 7/16 steel ball first, and I hold it like this with my fingertips. Draw back. It's the same thing. I missed the target, but it's the same thing. Now a 3/8 steel ball. 3/8 steel into the pouch. Hold it with my fingertips. Airsoft. They asked me if you could shoot those. And you just use lighter bands. A little small GZK pouch, but I'm gonna hold it the same way. Right there, just like that. The ball's in the pouch. There it went. There we go. BBs, same thing. These are small BBs, just in black. But shoot a couple of those. Same thing. Center in the pouch, like just like that. Same thing. I hold everything the same way. BBs. So I hope that answers your question, guys. Thanks.